Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on Viber, first open up your Viber app. You can block that person on Viber if they are on your chat section over here, or you will be just required to go to the contact section. To do that, tap on calls over here. At the bottom of the screen you can see there's the chats and the calls. Tap on calls and open the contact of the person whom you want to block on Viber. For example, I'll be blocking this person. So in order to block that person over here, after tapping, this kind of panel will appear. Tap on the contact info option available for us, and when this page appears, you can see the block this contact option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on block these contacts from the contact section of Viber to block that person. So let's unblock this, and you can also do this from the chat section of the Viber. So let's go back and let's go to the chat section and open up the contact whom you want to block by tapping on their profile. And over here, when their chat box appears, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on the name at the top of the screen, and when this panel appears, scroll down and you can find the block this contact option available for us. Tap on block this contact and that contact will be blocked on Viber. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to block someone on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.